In this video, we will learn how to install the current IntelliJ IDE on Windows 10. For that, first we need Java. So in the first step, we will install Java, then we will install IntelliJ IDEA. Let us start with the first step. We will install Java. Go to the browser. On Google, type Oracle Java and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website, oracle.com/java. Click download Java. Now the Java downloads section is visible. Go below. Here the current versions are visible. Here it is. I'll click Windows. After that, you can select installer as well as the MSI installer. I'll go for the installer, that is exe file. Click on it. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click next. Java will get installed in the following location. Keep it as it is and click next. The installation started. Let's wait. The installation completed. Click close. Now let us set the path. Go to the place where we installed Java. It was in C drive, program files. Here it is Java. Click on it, click JDK, then click bin and copy this path. Minimize. Go to start, type environment variables. Here you need to click edit the system environment variables. Click open. Under advanced, click environment variables. Now under system variables, double click path. Click new and paste the same path. Right click and paste. After that, click OK. Here click new. Type Java_home under variable name and under the value paste the same. But here remove bin. Click OK. OK. And the last OK. Now let us verify the installation of Java. Go to start. Type cmd. Click open. Now type Java ---- version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed the current Java version. Now we will install IntelliJ. Go to the web browser. Go to a new tab and type IntelliJ IDEA and press enter. The official website is visible, jetbrains.com. Click on it. So IntelliJ IDEA is owned by JetBrains. Okay, after reaching here, click download. Now you can see IntelliJ IDEA is visible and only a single unified product is now visible. So you need to just download this exe file. So click the download button here. Now IntelliJ IDEA will download. Let's wait. We have downloaded IntelliJ IDEA exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click next. Installation location is visible. IntelliJ IDEA will get installed in the following location under program files and it will take only 4 GB. Click next. Some installation options are visible. Yes, I want to create a desktop shortcut. Rest keep as it is and click next. Choose start menu folder. Click install. Now IntelliJ IDEA will get installed. Let's wait. We have installed IntelliJ IDEA. It also created a desktop shortcut. I can directly click run here so that it can run after clicking finish, but I'll directly click finish. Now to run IntelliJ IDEA, you can double click here or you can go to start and type IntelliJ and it is also visible here. Click open. Now IntelliJ IDEA will open for the first time. Select the agreement, click I confirm and click continue. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA. From here you can click customize and select the theme. I'll keep the default, that is the dark theme. You can also change the ID font. Let's say I'll set it to 15. Okay, after that I'll click projects. Now it updated, you can see the font increased. Click new project. Now our project is visible. From here you can see it automatically detected our JDK version. Okay, this is why we need to install Java before installing IntelliJ IDEA. Add the project name. So let's say I'll mention Amit application. Rest keep as it is. You can also select advanced settings if you want, but I'll keep the default and click create. Now our first project will get created in IntelliJ IDEA. Here is our first project, Amit application, and the path is visible. Here it is. Let us create a new file under the source folder. Right click, click new. Select Java class. Now add the class name. Let's say I'll add demo. When I'll press enter, it will automatically add the .java extension because class is by default selected. Press enter. Now a demo.java file will get created. Here it is. Now let us run our first program. Go to my website studiopedia.com. Here select this Java tutorial. We will add this link in the video description also. Then click run first program and here copy this program. Right click copy. Remove this. Right click paste. Now remember the class file should be equivalent to the file name. So I'll add demo here. Rest I'll keep the same. It will print whatever we will add inside println, that is it will print studiopedia Java tutorial, and in the next line it will print our first Java program. Not a problem. Go to file, click save all, right click and click run demo. Now our first program will run. Here it is, the output is visible, studiopedia Java tutorial and our first Java program. So for a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also explained this program. With that, refer to our website Studiopedia for free tutorials.